Understanding, get all steamed up, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, get all steamed up. If you've ever heard someone use this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. We'll break it down, provide examples, and help you use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. Get all steamed up is an idiomatic expression in English that means becoming very angry or agitated about something. It's a colorful way to describe someone's emotional state, painting a picture of steam building up inside a person until they can't contain it anymore. This phrase can be used in both serious and light-hearted contexts, depending on the situation. The idiom, get all steamed up, likely comes from the imagery of a steam engine or kettle getting hotter and building pressure until steam is released. This is a metaphor for human emotions, where pressure builds up until a person expresses their anger or frustration. Understanding this origin helps us appreciate the vivid imagery English idioms often use to convey emotions. 1. Expressing anger or frustration. You can use this phrase when you want to tell someone that you're really angry about something. For example, I got all steamed up when I saw the mess in the kitchen. 2. Describing someone else's reaction. It's also useful for talking about someone else's emotional state. My boss got all steamed up over the missed deadline. 3. In light-hearted situations. Despite its association with anger, the phrase can be used humorously to describe mild irritation or mock anger. He gets all steamed up over the silliest things, like someone using his favorite mug. Let's put our understanding into practice. Imagine a friend tells you a story about their day, and it involves a situation where they or someone else became very angry. Try to retell the story to another friend, using the phrase, get all steamed up, to describe the emotional state. Remember, the key is to convey the level of emotion effectively using this idiom. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and usage of get all steamed up. We hope this video has illuminated another colorful aspect of the English language for you. Idioms like this one add richness and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express emotions in vivid and memorable ways. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.